Hi, Sarah. It's almost the end of the year. Do you have any plans for next year?
Oh, yes. I have so many things in mind. I'm going to start a new course in photography. I've always loved taking pictures.
That sounds great. I want to take a course too, but I'm not sure which one yet. Maybe something about cooking.
Oh, that would be fun. What kind of food do you want to learn to cook?
I would like to learn how to make Italian dishes, pasta, pizza, and desserts. My family loves Italian food.
Yum! I would like to try that too. I'm also going to travel more next year. I haven't been anywhere for so long.
Same here. Where are you going to go?
I think I'm going to visit Spain. My sister lives there and she invited me. The weather is so nice there all year round.
Oh, lucky you. I want to visit Spain too someday, but next year I'm going to stay in my country. I would like to visit the mountains in summer.
That sounds lovely. The mountains are so peaceful. Are you going to go with your family?
Yes, my husband and kids. We want to spend more time outdoors together.
That's a great idea. I also want to spend more time with my family. We're all so busy lately.
True. I'm also going to start doing more sport. I would like to feel healthier and have more energy.
Me too. I joined a gym last month and I'm going to keep going next year. Maybe we can go together sometimes.
Oh, that would be amazing. Let's do it. So next year, new hobbies, more travel, and healthy habits.
Exactly. I think it's going to be a great year for both of us.